Hey there digital friends, welcome back to Digital Visions. In this video, you're going to see how to apply themes on your MiA1 Android One Oreo. So to install these themes, you need an optional called device theme in your settings. To get these settings, you need to install any two themes in your mobile. You can download these themes from the Play Store or you can download some of them through the link which is available in the description below. Let us install some themes and check us in the mobile. Let us check some themes in the mobile. To remove these themes and get back to the stock, you need to uninstall the install themes and restart the mobile. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe.